Hi, right now we are in Jurong Bird Park. So this is the entrance which you will see in the Jurong Bird Park, and I cannot see any cars or any bus or any kind of transport, and I cannot see any people over here. It's totally empty right now. Welcome to Asia's largest bird park, and this is the entrance of Jurong Bird Park. So from here I cannot see any single people who is just wandering around here. So then only I realized one thing: Jurong Bird Park operating hours. Mondays to Wednesdays it is closed actually. It is operating only from Thursday to Sundays from 8:30 a.m. to evening 6:30 p.m. There are a lot of things to see over here. High flyers, king of the skies. There are a lot of activities going on here. Bird feeding experiences. So I thought to visit all these kind of things, but unfortunately I came on Monday. But I made a huge mistake by coming on Monday, because I booked the ticket, and it's like they will give you validity for 1 week. You can visit this Jurong Bird Park any day in this 1 week. Unfortunately I came on Monday and it's closed and I cannot go inside. So just I'm showing you what are the other things you can see over here. So just for your reference, I'm just showing you this. If you come on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, you will not be allowed inside because it is closed actually. I did not see that one in the website, and I came all the way here and I cannot find any people over here. It's totally vacant over here. It's totally empty. The only thing you can see when you come in these days are just this pond with the fishes. You can also see turtles in that. I thought to go and ask the people in the counters whether they will allow me or not on coming Thursday, because today is Monday and it will be open again only by Thursday. But unfortunately there is no one available in the staff counter, and as I told you already, it's already totally closed without any humans or anyone over there. So here you can see all the shutters are closed and it's totally empty, and you cannot see anyone over there. So better not to come in the Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, since it will be closed, and the only thing you can see when you come here is just these closed shutters over here. You can see all the counters are closed completely, even without any security persons over here, and it's clearly mentioned that it is open only from Thursday to Sunday and it's closed on Monday to Wednesday. So this is the entrance of the Jurong Bird Park, which you saw right now, but it's totally closed by the shutters over here. So people who book their tickets, do one thing: make sure that you can go to Jurong Bird Park on Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, because if you plan to go on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, it will be closed and you cannot see anything. The other good thing is, if you come over here and if you are not able to visit this Jurong Bird Park when it's closed, you can simply visit the Jurong Park. It is actually located in a hill which is away from here. So I started walking towards the hill. So we have missed this Jurong Bird Park, and so why not we can go to this hill up there and see what's over there. So that's what I'm doing right now. I started to walk and I started to climb the hill. I think this is the way to the hill, so that's where I'm walking all the way through. You cannot see any people over here, it's totally empty. So I'm just walking, and the climate is little bit cloudy. I think it's going to rain right now. The time is around morning time. It's 10 o'clock in the morning time, and it's not sunny over here. One thing what I did is I went in the wrong route. So after going in the wrong route, I decided to go in the right route by just climbing over here. I think Jurong Hill Park is closed. So actually we are in Jurong Hill Park, and I think the park is closed right now. Right for now I do not see any people over here, so that I can ask and verify whether it is actually closed or not. What, today Jurong Bird Park also closed, Jurong Hill also closed. What a time. I think this is the way to go up to Jurong Hill Park. Let us go and see. It is very steep actually. It's very difficult to climb over here. Finally we reached the Jurong Hill Park, and actually the building you see behind me is the actual Jurong Hill Park. So still further we have to climb by sea. The park is actually quite empty. There's no one over here. I think this is the building which we need to climb the top to see the top view. Lookout Tower opens from 8 AM to 12 midnight. Jurong Town Corporation accepts no responsibility for any injury to any person arising from any cause whatsoever, or for any damage or to loss of personal properties during their visit to their lookout tower. Visitors to the tower will therefore do so entirely at their own risk. Okay, let us see how this one goes. This tower was officially opened by the Minister for Social Affairs, Inshiatman Benwag, on 22nd June 1970. From here you can see the whole Jurong Singapore side. From here you can see I think it's a harbor over there. You can see many ships over there. I think it's a harbor. You can see entire Singapore, actually the Jurong port of Singapore. It's a beautiful view from here. You can actually see many buildings over here. Actually from here you can see a building where you can see many containers are parked in the, I think it's the 7th or 5th floor. Usually we can see many cars which are parked inside a mall or inside a building in the 7th floor. But I think here this is different. There is a container over here parked in the 5th floor of a building. Oh, that's great, man. And right from here we can see a bridge where many bus cars are going. See, there is a container lorry coming from the top of the building. I think it's going to rain. It's actually looking like this. The sky is looking like this, and I think it's going to rain. See, actually we have seen just the containers over here in the building, but you should also know behind that there is another building where in the top floor I think there must be about 50 containers over there, and the work is some work is going on there. Wow. So actually, since there is no anyone in the building right now, it's better to go down and not to climb the top. So we are going down right now. So now we are in Jurong Hill Park, Singapore, and right now you see the building which is behind me is Jurong Hill Park actually, and you should also see an important thing over here. So this is actually a tree. So you're thinking what I'm showing in a tree right now, right? So let me show you one thing. This tree was planted by Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II on 19th February 1972 in commemoration of Her Majesty visit to Jurong town during the state visit to Singapore from 18th Feb to 20th Feb 1972. Interesting. So the tree you're looking at right now is actually planted by Queen Elizabeth. So have a look. See, it's actually going to rain. The sky is too cloudy over now, so I can't receive enough sunlight to show you the exact picture of this tree. I think you can hear the thunderstorms. There is another tree. Okay, let us see who planted this one. So this tree was actually planted by Royal Highness Prince Bertil of Sweden on 30th September 1975 on the occasion of his visit to Jurong town. It was planted by HRH the Princess Margaret, Countess of Snowdon on 19th October 1972 during the visit of Her Royal Highness to Singapore from 17th to 19th October 1972. There are a lot of trees over here, and which is planted by many important places, important persons in the history. So all the trees you are seeing right now is planted by an important person in the history of human life. This tree was planted by His Excellency Mr. McMahon, the Prime Minister of Australia, in commemoration of a visit to Jurong town on Friday 9 June 1972. This tree was planted by Her Royal Highness the Duke of Gloucester, G.C. Wibo, on 1st November 1975 on the occasion of his visit to Jurong town. So this tree was planted by Her Royal Highness Princess Alexandra when Her Royal Highness toured Jurong town on 11th August 1969 during the visit of Her Royal Highness to Singapore to attend the 150th anniversary of the founding of Singapore and National Day celebrations. I think there are some fruits which are fallen down from the tree. I don't know what kind of tree it is. So this tree was planted by the RTA Hon Michael Thomas. If I'm right, it's Prime Minister of Papua New Guinea on the occasion of his official visit to the Republic of Singapore from 23rd to 29th July 1978. So it's going to rain right now, so it's better to move. So thank you for watching this video, and please do subscribe to my channel, and do click the bell icons to receive further notifications, and please click over the like symbol over there if you like this video. Thank you, and we'll join you soon in the next video. Thank you. There is something interesting in this. There is actually some interesting thing about this Jurong Hill Park are the trees. Do you know what interesting part it is about? So please watch this video. Now we are going back down. So now the interesting part is I can just easily walk down the hill. Climbing up is very difficult, but just walking down is very easy to walk.